The keto diet and intermittent fasting are two of the hottest current health trends. Want to join the party? We are here to give two essential tips on how to include the 16-8 intermittent fasting into your keto diet regime. Also, we will show why combining those two is beneficial for effective weight loss, as well as your physical and even mental health in just 3 simple steps. First of all, combining keto and fasting will help you reach ketosis faster. To make it more clear, both eating patterns lead to ketosis, a metabolic state of producing ketones due to burning fat instead of glucose. But including intermittent fasting into the keto can help your body reach ketosis quicker than the keto diet alone. Eating in a restricted time window makes a significant difference in your glycogen stores. Fasting forces quick depletion of glycogen, which then leads the body to the state of ketosis. Now listen, we mentioned before that you shouldn't combine keto and fasting both at the same time if you're a beginner. But let's say you're kicked out of ketosis after a cheat day and you're struggling to pull yourself together. In this situation, fasting would be a true savior in getting back on track physically and mentally. Just keep in mind that intermittent fasting is not necessary to reach ketosis, but it can be used as a tool to do that quickly. Secondly, fasting helps break the keto plateau. A lot of keto diet followers fast regularly because it helps them break through weight loss plateaus. The weight loss plateau is a period when you suddenly stop losing weight. It mainly happens because your metabolism slows down as you lose weight, and you begin to burn fewer calories throughout the day. So what should you do? That's right. Incorporate intermittent fasting into your keto regime. Various studies show that fasting can help increase your metabolism and boost fat burning. So, it means that your body starts utilizing those stubborn fat stores. And that's not even it. Research shows that fasting can decrease hunger and calorie intake, both of which can lead to losing weight. Thirdly, as you've already understood, fasting helps you lose more weight than the keto diet alone. And that's a huge win-win if you're struggling to reach your weight loss goals. And it's based on studies. For example, there was an 8-week study that included 34 resistance-trained men. Those who practiced the 16-8 method lost nearly 14% more body fat than those following a normal eating pattern. Additionally, studies underscore that intermittent fasting can reduce hunger and promote satiety levels, which leads to weight loss. Alright, all these benefits sound like one hell of a package, but how can you include intermittent fasting in the keto diet without any damage to your health? Don't start doing both at the same time. When you start your keto diet, you'll experience such temporary inconveniences as keto flu. In addition, at the very beginning of fasting, you may experience some side effects as well, such as headache, fatigue, or mood changes. So imagine all of the symptoms together. Doesn't sound like a piece of cake, right? We strongly recommend starting with the keto diet. Give your body a month or two to adapt to a low-carb diet and produce ketones. When you get used to a new eating pattern and have full control of it, then you'll have a green light to include fasting. The 16-8 fasting method is considered to be the most effective combined with the keto diet. Also, this pattern is really flexible and easy to follow because you decide the most convenient timing of your eating and fasting windows. But keep in mind that combining keto with intermittent fasting is a bit more drastic than just following a regular meal plan. So, make sure you consult with professionals to reduce the risk of nutrient deficiencies. If you want to find out more about the 16-8 fasting, watch the video 16-8 Intermittent Fasting for Beginners. Also, check out the video where Dr. Elena explains the benefits of keto and intermittent fasting for your best weight loss results. Subscribe to Health Insider and don't miss any new, exciting, and educational content.